Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. We're going to get this show on the road. Let me get you guys a little bit of box action, hit this light. Work if I turn the box around and get that label. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, light, smoke gray, and white. Bringing these back into my rotation, I get another pair for wearing. Not bad shoe in my opinion. They call these, I believe, the Shadow 2.0s. Have the original Shadows as well as these. It's just a good Jordan in my opinion. Like I said, I'm a Jordan 1 guy, so the Jordan 1 silhouette is going to always be in my rotation. Let me cut this light out. I wasn't even supposed to have it on. Sorry, guys. I'll give you a spin with the light out as well. With the light on, rather. It's all around good shoe, in my opinion. If you're a Jordan 1 fan, like I said, like myself, I recommend that you definitely have a pair of these. They can match with just about any outfit. Wear these a lot as my just throw on shoe. That's why I need so many pairs of this one. Just like I said, my opinion is a strong Jordan, good materials. This shoe also takes a beating. I can't remember how many times I wore this shoe, but thousands. I bought this pair used and restored it. You guys could probably see a little bit of wear and tear on there, but see that toe box was completely messed up when I got it. Now it's not so bad. Like I said, I really like this pair of Jordans because, like I said, they could take a licking and keep on ticking. You can repair them easy. Easy to dye the suede, paint the midsoles, or whatever. Yeah, definitely check out the Jordan 1 Retro Shadow 2.0s. I'll give you guys a look at what the shoe's like when it's going to be on your foot. Alright guys, let me know what shoes you want to see next on the channel. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what you think of these Shadow 2.0s. Just a great gray and black Nike. Like I said, so it can match with anything. Alright everybody, stay safe. Have a nice one.
Everybody fucking jump!